Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade crab rangoon. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, about 6 ounces of imitation crab meat, and some key seasonings. Don't forget your wonton wrappers, which are typically 3 inches by 3 inches squares. We'll also need cooking oil for frying and a tasty dipping sauce to complete this delightful appetizer. Get ready for a fun and easy cooking experience. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy filling. Start by ensuring your 8 ounces of cream cheese is at room temperature for easy mixing. Next, finely chop about 6 ounces of imitation crab meat into small, manageable pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and a dash of garlic powder for a burst of flavor. Gently combine all these ingredients until you have a smooth, well-blended mixture. This delicious filling is the heart of your crab rangoon. With our filling ready, it's time to fold the wonton wrappers. Take 1 wrapper and place about 1 teaspoon of the creamy filling right in the center. Lightly moisten the edges of the wrapper with a little water. This acts as your seal. Now, fold the wrapper into your desired shape, whether it's a classic triangle, a charming purse, or a fun star. Make sure to press the edges firmly to seal them completely, preventing any filling from escaping during frying. Finally, let's fry these delicious treats. Heat about 2 inches of cooking oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your folded rangoon into the hot oil, frying them in small batches for about 2 to 3 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color. Once fried, immediately transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Serve them warm with your favorite dipping sauce, and get ready to enjoy your homemade crab rangoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.